Fruity Zobo are the healthiest version of Zobo, and I can show you how to make that in less than 1 hour using ingredients you already have in your fridge. One thing you need to keep in mind is when it comes to Fruity Zobo, you can use whatever fruit you have. For this video, I'll be using pineapples, watermelon, cucumber, ginger, lemon, clementine, and kiwi. Please, the kiwi is optional, or the clementine. Just use the fruit you want to infuse in your zobo. First thing I did was peel all the fruit that needs to be peeled and chopped what needs to be chopped. Now remember, do not throw away the pineapple peels and the watermelon rind because you'll be using that in boiling your zobo. Now I'm going to juice my fruits using my BJ20 Buchi Mix juicer. Reason for this is I need both juice and chaff. The chaff will go into the Zobo mix that will be cooked, and then the juice will be used to infuse and sweeten up the Zobo juice when it's extracted. So you see, everything is used in this video, nothing goes to waste. Now when it comes to fruity zobo, you might need to consider using fruit that are sweet. That way you don't need to add sugar. Now that we have our chaff and the juice, let's proceed in making the zobo. So in your clean pot, you're going to add washed zobo leaves, the pineapple peels, watermelon rind, some mint leaves. Yeah, very you need that honestly, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and then the chaff from the juice or from the fruit. To that, add in enough water, stir very well, cover and let it cook for at least 30 minutes or until all ingredients are infused into the zobo water or liquid. You should be able to tell when your zobo is well done. The juice will be very thick and the whole place will just be smelling nice. What I like to do at this junction is just turn off the heat, cover and let it cool down completely, then strain to extract the juice. Now this is our strained juice, zobo juice, and I'm going to go in with the previous fruit juice that we extracted using the Buchi mix juicer. Give everything a good stir. Now this is the time to taste this to know whether you might need to add sugar or not. Remember, it is the healthiest version of Zobo, so you might need to consider not adding sugar, especially if you're making this for the elderly. But this is the suitable option for people with diabetes and people that are overweight or struggling with weight loss and all that. Trust me, this Zobo drink will even help you lose weight. And aside the fact that it tastes so amazing. Now if you're not following me or you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, now is the time to do that, because I promise you quality good content every week. By the way, this is one of the best zobo that I've ever made, like the natural one without any artificial sweeteners or flavorings. You might need to try this out. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.